बीती शाम मुंबई में हुए तस्वीर फिल्म फेस्टिवल, जहां पर नजर आए कई सारे कलाकार जिनके लिए ये शाम रही बेहद ही खास। वही यहाँ पर दिखा सितारों का जलवा, जो सज धज कर यहाँ पहुँच गए इस शाम को बनाने और भी रंगीन। ऐसे में आइए आपको ले चलते हैं सास बहू और बेटिया के साथ दिखाने इस शाम के सभी खास पल, और जानते हैं कलाकारों से कि आखिर उन्हें क्या कुछ कहना है।
You know, Tasveer obviously has been doing tremendous work, and Rita and the entire team, honestly, they've been at it, and I keep hearing about it. I genuinely want to travel, and go to the film festival over there in America. But I'm so glad that they're doing this, and they've brought the films here, of course, Human in the Loop and the short film. I think it's an amazing platform for young storytellers and good films, and we need more platforms. So I think the heart and the intent with which Tasveer has been happening over the years and is amazing, and I'm really happy, and I'm very grateful that they called me for this. I'm very happy to be here. अभी तो Delhi Crime आया है, अभी yeah, it's coming on the 19th, so you can hold your horses now, and yeah, 19th. Have a really beautiful next year, 2026, and Merry Christmas.
I'm very excited about seeing these films, and I'm so glad to get an opportunity to see them because अभी तक I was, in fact, 2-3 दिन पहले मैं पेपर में पढ़ ही रही थी about these films, and I was saying, wonder when I'll get to see them. And then next thing is I got this message about the festival and the fact that these films are going to be here. So it's like a non-missable festival. Yes, there are a couple of things that that are going to release this year. This year meaning the coming year. So there's a film and there are 2 other films that I'm shooting for. So, well, Christmas is a festival. I wouldn't say it's a festival. I think it's a season that everyone celebrates and holds close to their heart, no matter what religion. Like my mom's 87, and we love having a Christmas tree, so we start decorating a Christmas tree in our own homes. So yes, Merry Christmas and good cheer and lots of peace and serenity and great inner joy to all of us out there and here and you.
First of all, when you have a passionate woman like her who comes all the way from Seattle to promote cinema, independent cinema, which is not assembly line, market driven, but based on the human impulse of the artist. And not only just gives verbal support, but also works on the ground, does field work. That means the need for people to believe that all is not lost is here. She is the person. There are people there who will support you. And I think in these times when there is a tie-up between Netflix and Warner and $83 billion deals are being done, and there is the who's who of Hollywood is getting scared that it's the last coffin, the last nail in the coffin of cinema, right? Francis Ford Coppola said that. I don't agree with that because when you have people, filmmakers, and you have writers, actors who are passionately burning to express themselves as they taste and experience life, nothing is lost. The sun will rise and cinema will live on because the need to tell stories. Every civilization searches for the truth. And how do you search for the truth? Through stories. And we tell stories. We live life, we process it through our body, and we go out there with a skill and express ourselves. And as long as we do that,
Yes.
we're fine.
Our stories will never die. It will always find a way to live and come alive. That's what we are doing.
They are great people, not me. I'm here to support them.
Thank you, sir.
If I can get them stand on my shoulder and reach the heights that they
We are
deserve to
already
go,
standing
done.
on your shoulders. We are standing on your shoulders.
Yes, sir.
He's the one who built it, who paved the path, and we are walking on that path. He did that manji.
I think we are here for cinema, and we love cinema. That's why we are supporting and we are together. And Tasveer is doing already great from these 23 years, and I'm really honored and grateful to be collaborating with Tasveer. So yeah, thank you.
You want me to give some Christmas greeting? Well, I have been brought up by Salesian priests in Don Bosco School, Mumbai. So Christmas is a part of my consciousness. So I celebrate Christmas like I celebrate Diwali, I celebrate Eid. I'm very proud to belong to the diverse stream of this great nation, which celebrates its plurality through all these festivals.
No, it's wonderful to see the kind of people who come in here. I am a big cinephile. I love cinema from across the world, and I watch all kind of films, whether it's independent, small films. I don't believe that there are small films or big films. There are just good films. An event like this brings all the people together who love good cinema, and that's why for me, Tasveer is one of the beautiful festivals which brings. They do the kind of festival where the right kind of people, the right kind of cinema is spread across the world. I'm very happy to be part of this and really looking forward to watching some exciting films. Oh, the recent, of course, Tere Ishq Mein with Dhanush, of course, is there in the theatres, which people are loving. And we have crossed 100 crores, so definitely people are loving it. I've got another film and a big show with our Mirzapur director, which is going to come out next year. And my own film, which I've directed, is that's an independent film which me and my wife Vandana, we did it together, and we want to send it for Tasveer. And I think the next event you'll see me is our own festival where we're going to be presenting our film. So hopefully soon. I just wish everybody good luck, happiness, and stay healthy, guys. बहुत pollution फैल रहा है. I know it's difficult to breathe in Delhi and Mumbai and everywhere else, but I always say कि just say ये भी ठीक है and kind of just ये भी ठीक है बोलो on. But stay protected and stay healthy. That's my only thing, and I think you can achieve anything in life if you're healthy and keep smiling.
It's great. I mean, Tasveer has been such a proponent for us in the States now that the film is being considered for the Oscars. I think they're really a cornerstone for us. And sitting in Seattle, we plan to do a lot more. And also the fact that the film won a very important award there has really helped us, push the film forward.
I think Tasveer and Rita has always celebrated Indian independent filmmakers, and they have given chance to each and every one. I can see that. I have met these people over in Seattle as well. So I think for us, Humans in the Loop, it is a great platform, and I'm elated that our film is in the race in Oscar, and I'm happy for Aranya and our team because of his grit and I think passion. We are here. So thank you.
Shivam and I go way back, right? Shivam and I were speaking about the casting of this film 3 years back, and I think he's really one of the newest kind of innovators in this casting space, and he's also helping a lot of these indie folks, which I really like. For the use a lot of the kind of the might you're building in the industry to help smaller people. That's something that Shivam is doing. Rita, lesser, the more said, the lesser. For me, Rita is really a cornerstone in the US for South Asian stories, and it's not just India. It's Bangladesh, it's Pakistan, it's Sri Lanka, all Nepal. She's really championed all sorts of films, and I think more and more we'd like to build those ties so that it's not like a single event. सिर्फ एक बार फिल्म जा रही है, वहाँ पे स्क्रीन हो रही है, वो ना हो. It can be more than that. If we can start funding films, if we can start getting more and more films on the light, then that's good.
So I have known Shivam, and I think he has keen eye for an artist, and he has been doing that since few years, and he has been taking workshops also. I think we need such casting directors. And about Rita, I have been following Tasveer for a couple of years, and I have wanted to be part of Tasveer Film Festival, and because of Humans in the Loop, I got a chance to meet her. She is fab, and she helps each and every independent filmmaker, and we need that. We need support from such people wherein we can do marketing, we can do funding, So that is very important for us. And yeah, thank you, Rita and Shivam.
मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।